Marianne Rivera. I'm here to talk to you about hemoglobin. I chose the article X-ray Analysis of Hemoglobin by Max F. Perutz. He conducted his experiments and analysis at the Cavendish Laboratory at Cambridge in 1937. What he found is that hemoglobin is made of 2 alpha globins, 2 beta globins, and a heme group. The heme group attaches oxygen and is then delivered throughout the body. The main function of hemoglobin, as you may have already guessed, is to transport oxygen throughout the body. So it takes oxygen from the lungs to the tissues and carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lungs. Hemoglobin is found in red blood cells in most vertebrates, not all. Red blood cells are usually shaped as a donut. So it is a round cell with a small indentation in the middle. Unlike the donut, it doesn't have a complete full hole. It just has an indentation. And the structure is also a function by the hemoglobin. So the hemoglobin is in charge of making it nice and round and easy to transport around the body. So some issues related with hemoglobin, some diseases, are anemia, sickle cell disease, and thalassemia. Anemia refers to when a person has a very low red blood cell count. When a person has a very low red blood cell count, it cannot deliver oxygen successfully throughout the body because it lacks the amount of cells to do it. So some oxygen is being delivered, but very little, not enough for bodily functions to be completed successfully. Sickle cell disease refers to the structure of the cell. So when the cell is supposed to be round. When the cell is a little bit shaped like that, ignore my other fingers, kind of like a YU, it cannot travel successfully throughout the body. It impedes bodily functions from being successful because the oxygen isn't getting to where it needs to be. The cells aren't traveling the way they should. Thalassemia refers to a group of hereditary conditions in which there is a lack of efficient hemoglobin being produced. When there isn't enough efficient hemoglobin being produced, again, oxygen isn't delivered where it should. Therefore, a lot of bodily functions are not working. The type of thalassemia depends on its severity. It can be very mild or mild, which sometimes can be referred to as anemia, or it can be categorized as anemia, or it can be fatal. It can be very, very severe. Regardless, hemoglobin is very important in our body. We absolutely need it, and it is a very, very interesting protein. Thank you for listening.